To shave your legs, first, wet them in the shower or bath for a few minutes to soften your hair and skin, which will make shaving easier and help prevent nicks. Use a loofah or body scrub to exfoliate your legs. Removing dead skin cells before you shave will prevent razor bumps and irritation. After exfoliating, apply a thin, even layer of shaving cream over your legs. Starting at your ankle, use a clean, sharp razor to shave up your leg, going against the direction your hair grows in. Use gentle pressure and rinse your razor every few strokes to remove build-up hair and shaving cream. When you're finished shaving, rinse off your legs and feel for any missed spots with your hands, especially along the backs of your ankles and the tops of your knees. Finally, dry off your legs and moisturize them with lotion or oil.